Okay, here we go. We're just starting on our trip. There's our apartment building over there. And we are beginning our roll down to California. It is about 25 degrees this morning. No snow forecast, but it looks a little forbidding, and the clouds kind of dark in places.
Here we go.
We'll see. Okay, and here we go.
A little snow. Yeah, snow's falling.
Oh boy, a little more snow this morning. Okay. Anyway, if we can get out of the apartment complex, we're in great shape.
This is just ice. Look at this.
Yeah,
And there's no sand on it. This is just bumper car heaven. Now it's snowing quite a lot more.
Oh, I see it. Headlights. Yeah. It wasn't supposed to snow today. Oh well. Back towards our apartment building, which is out there somewhere. I can't quite see it, but more snow coming down. And we're headed out towards the main street, Wallace Road.
Quite a bumpy road, isn't it?
Indeed.
I would have thought that asphalt was more smooth.
If there's any asphalt on it. Okay, car far away.
You know, it's so unusual. This road is cram-packed with happy revelers every morning on their way to work.
Okay.
And there's a lonely person waiting in the snow for a bus at about 20 degrees.
Bike spiders on until we get to the main highway, which is probably cleared enough to drive without them.
Actually, it looks like the road here is pretty clear.
It is. Not too bad once we get out of the complex. Very soon the sun will be rising, and actually I think sunrise is like at 10 to 8 and it's 7:12. So the sky will be lightening, but we won't see the sun for a while, even if it does break through today. Of course, that's up here. 14 hours from now, thereabouts, we'll be down in good old Southern California. Tells the story. 7:16 and 24 degrees. But coffee shops are open. Back there, we can't quite see it from here. There's a phone booth with ice all over the walls. They still have phone booths here in Salem.
Because it rains.
Because it rained so much. And there was all kinds of ripple ice all over the glass walls. Anyway, this is like last night we were watching Charlie Brown Christmas, and this is the kind of town Charlie Brown was in. There's some wide open spaces with fields, and there's the whole citified section, and the residential section, and the same kinds of fences, and the same kinds of snow. In fact, actually, school teachers do talk with a horn here. As we were watching the program last night, which was just before dark, it was still bright enough outside that it was, sun had set, but it was still bright, and we could see the snow falling in Charlie Brown, look out the window and see exactly the same kind of fence, the same kind of snow, and the same kind of buildings, and it was like actually living in a Charlie Brown Christmas. Something I've waited about 50 years for. So it's perfect. This is a Charlie Brown Christmas.
Next on Melody's list, a tropical Christmas.
Alright, now we get to the bridge that goes over the Willamette River.
Mention the Willamette's frozen.
Now that would be cool. I hope it is.
Oh, that estuary up to the side is bound to be. see over this railing, but
Yeah, I can't today. Too much snow.
Right.
Oh well. Anyway, we continue down the bridge. Alright, here we're coming up on the sign to Albany, which also leads, as you see, to the South 5.
Yeah, well, we're going to take a commercial all the way up rather than
Oh, that's a good idea.
22.
That's a very
Oh, look at the train tracks.
Oh,
Obviously,
yeah.
that's an indication no trains
tracks.
are on the tracks.
Yes, the train tracks are all covered with snow. Okay, this is Commercial Street. Over on the left is the public library. Looks like they have it pretty well plowed.
No, they don't. They have it no better plowed than any place else. They have a walkway shovel. You can't even get into the funeral service. What are you going to do if you die?
That's true.
There's a thought. Drive up funeral service.
Drive through.
Drive through.
Some of the old style homes in Salem. And an old style SUV. Side street. And continuing down Commercial towards the 5. Well, as you can tell, there's kind of a freeze on the auto market right now. I won't dignify that
Nice
with
walking on the trees, though.
I won't dignify that with any further comments. But something under construction.
Oh, that's that thing next to Weathered Music.
Yeah, that's where I got my stand for my synthesizer, right over there.
That's your
Liberty
really
Street cuts
stand.
across Commercial here and becomes a two-way street.
Well,
Commercial.
No, it becomes two streets.
Well, and
Two
Commercial
two-way streets.
side by side, and Commercial continues down here. Oh, this is a great burger joint. They have two of them. One of them has a big pink Cadillac or something up on top. Pink T-bird or something, but this one's the better. Amazing burgers.
Amazing. Just
Really
amazing. Not as amazing as other burgers, but
No, more amazing than just about any burger.
well, I don't know. I think, is it amazing compared to a Tommy's burger?
Yeah.
How about an In-N-Out burger?
Oh yeah.
How about a Bob's Big Boy burger?
Yeah, that's amazing compared to that.
You might have a point now.
And to shop Walmart in the snow. I'm dreaming of a store Christmas.
Price is
every
lower than the
shopping
national average is
cart I
$1.63.
fill. And there's our snowbound Taco Bell, which seems like some sort of oxymoron.
Which no doubt describes the beef they serve.
Yes. Well, they never kill the smart ones. They find ways of escaping.